Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Each car wax in this video will offer different options, so it depends upon which specific types like ceramic, hybrid and classic wax in liquid or spray form meet your needs or pocket best when waxing your car. Plus, don't miss this week's extra at the end. Our specialist team analysed a wide range of products and made these recommendations based on different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. Check out the description below for links, info and the latest prices. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. So let's get started. The type of car wax coming up first is the Shine Armor Ceramic Car Wax. This highly advanced signature 3-in-1 formula even fills in micro cracks with a blend of SiO2 and surfactants, providing a superior shine with waterless spray to restore the car finish with ease. Its nanotechnology will turn the clock back on your vehicle, leaving no streaks, scratches or smears, whilst getting rid of dirt, grime and grease for a factory finish look in under 15 minutes. The Shine Armor Ceramic Car Wax is a high-tech ceramic shield against daily wear and tear such as acid rain, scorching sun and damaging road surfaces, leaving behind a beautiful gloss and clear protective coating on the paintwork, mirrors, glass, bumpers and more. Next on our list of recommendations for different car waxes is the Car Guys Hybrid Car Wax. This hybrid car wax uses advanced technology in this molecular nano spray that will repel water at all times, and the synthetic polymer sealant offers long-lasting UV protection. It is streak-free and safe on every surface with a hydrophobic barrier. It is durable and protects against the sun or weather damage that lasts for 3 to 6 months, so your vehicle will shine like new for a few months. The Car Guys Hybrid Spray is super quick and easy to use to give a glossy, reflective, deep shine without leaving white residue or streaks on the paint, glass and metals. It's perfect to use on any vehicle, car, truck, motorcycle, RV or boat. The liquid wax coming next is the Chemical Guys WAC 20162 Butter Wet Wax. This wet wax is formulated to leave shine and a deep wet look. With an easy off, easy on application, it gently melts a few drops like butter onto the paintwork, glass, headlights, wheels and metals when applied either with a polisher or by hand. It is naturally durable as it has polymers and resins blended formula, protecting from harmful UVA and UVB sun's rays and shield your vehicle from fading or discoloration, so it is popular with both professional detailers and enthusiasts. The Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax cleans, shines and protects, leaving a slick surface that will not allow contaminants like bird droppings, tree sap or water beading to stick to your paintwork. Moving on is the Meguiar's A2216 Carnauba Wax. This versatile high-grade Carnauba formula wax offers perfect wax protection that is quick and easy to apply and remove, leaving no streaks or smears. Once applied, it creates a strong, durable, protective barrier that locks a deep shine on the surfaces of your vehicle's paint, trim, mouldings and glass once it is applied thinly and evenly. The Meguiar's A2216 Carnauba Wax provides long-lasting protection against the sun, water beading and outside contaminants. Finally, it's the Turtle Wax T123R Super Hard Shell Liquid Car Wax. This classic, easy on, off formula car wax protects against harmful UV rays and lasts up to 12 months. It offers a fabulous gleam to the exterior surface of your car, truck or boat. The Turtle Wax T123R Super Hard Shell Liquid Car Wax is perfect to preserve the finish of older vehicles and perfect when applied thin and evenly for great gloss and a pristine look. This week's extra recommendation is the Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Foaming Car Wash Soap. This half-gallon car wash is perfect to clean your car thoroughly before applying wax, as it is important to remove any surface debris so that dirt and debris don't get around into the paintwork. The Chemical Guys CWS 40264 Mr. Pink Foaming Car Wash Soap is multi-purpose as it can be used with foam cannons, foam guns or bucket washes and is safe for cars, trucks, motorcycles and RVs. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and drop any helpful detailing tips in the comment section below. For more info or to buy the best one for you, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep in touch and updated with hundreds of tools.